Hey there, today we're going to look at how to navigate Miro. So let's get started. First, visit miro.com. Over here, click on the login option in the top right corner. Then choose to log in with your email or Google account. After that, once you're logged in, go to the board section. Then click on Create New to start a new project. Over here, select the board option. Then give your board a meaningful name. After that, click the plus sign button on the left side of the screen. Over here, select Tables from the content options. Then position the table on your board. After that, rename the fields in the table as needed. Once done, locate the Share button in the upper right corner. Then adjust the permissions based on who can view or edit your board. After that, click on Copy Board link to share it or hit Embed to integrate it elsewhere. Then click Copy Embed code if you need to insert it externally. Lastly, click on Publish if you want to make the board public. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.